Hi, I hope you can hear me well. Just wanted to show a few of the moves I've made, a few of the trades that I've added, what I'm trading right now, what I traded out of. That bowl, that was a bad trade. I actually meant to get out of that a long time ago, but it's okay. I'll expand some of these positions only if you're new. This is just a short-term hedge. This is a short call spread. These are the same, but I did have an extra one on, an extra 4,800 long call that I realized some profits on today, and I'll probably be able to scroll over and show that. This one I realized a small loss. I don't even remember why I put, oh yeah, this one was arbitrary. I just put it on for a couple days. Gas has been going down. I'm okay with it going down. I was okay with taking a small loser on that trade. I cut my losers a little bit earlier than what I used to do, because I'm just taking those losers as inventory. Because I'm playing both sides of the market, there's going to be some losers and there's going to be some winners. That's just absolutely nothing I can do about it, So I trade in such a way that I am mitigating or cutting the losers early enough, and I'm letting my I'm letting my winners run a lot longer, because usually I will try and eliminate the risk and of what I could potentially lose on those trades. But today here, like this ES/ESM3, I had an extra 4,800. I ended up selling it instead of selling another 4,850 against it, because I wanted my deltas to be a little bit lower. That's all. /ZT. This was a bond position. This is the 2-year, but this is the actual bonds. Normally I'll trade just the yields, but the problem with the yields is they don't have options on them. So because they don't have options on them, I decided to just trade the bond itself, just so that I could trade the option. And I had this trade on for a few days. It's a little low for my liking. My dumb behind had the wrong date for the Fed interest rate decision and a few other economic press releases. And because I had the wrong date, and I didn't really take my time on putting a trade on, I decided to just take a small loser. And I'll scroll all the way over too, so you can see the P&L year to date for these particular symbols, including the bowl that I closed. I opened up a Coinbase trade, a short Coinbase position. I actually tried to hedge this. I was trying to sell a shorter term 20 put and a shorter term 25 put against it, but market closed on me as I was leaving DMV. And DMV messed me up today, so I was a little I wasn't really paying attention and doing my trade quickly like I should have. This trade I still have on. I did close one part of it for quite a bit of profit, as far from a percentage standpoint, and then I sold up, so I rolled it into a 17 put to collect some more credits to reduce the potential max loss of the 1750 put. Let's see, I can leave that open. I did throw in a long-term Dollar Tree trade. I'm not in it for that much either, maybe about $205. This is a long trade, as you can see, but it is a calendar spread. I sold a shorter term 165 call, and I bought a longer term 165 call. Longer term 165 call. Not that much longer, but about a 42-day difference between the two. So big theta difference between those two trades. Just from a risk profile standpoint from those two. One will decay at a pretty fast rate. That's the 25-day, and the 67 will not. The February 17th 67-day till expiration will not decay at the same rate. Here is the numbers for the day. This trade I'm down 1250. This one I'm up a bit. That was when I had 3 on, so I was a little imbalanced. I came into the day pretty long. I was down a couple of days ago because I had already put that trade on, that third one. Yeah, here's the rest of them. I'm just closing them since I already expanded on them. And then and that's why if you look at this one, remember I closed one, the P&L open was a lot higher than what it's showing. But because I closed one today, that P&L looks a lot lower. But that's okay, because I realized some profit. I got a whole bunch of unrealized stuff going on. This is really important. Look at my beta weighted deltas. I'm pretty neutral right now, as you can see. Of course, these deltas are dynamic. You know, they move with time and they move with the market as well. So that number never stays exact, but I am pretty delta neutral right now, as you can see. This is a net short position. This is beta weighted to the SPY, by the way. That's how you keep track of just how much risk you have on, and you're comparing that risk to a benchmark type standard. I just like to use the SPY, but you can actually adjust this in your settings on your Tastyworks app if you have Tastyworks. Here's the probability of profit for some of these trades. Some of them are pretty low, and that's okay. It's the P&L open. Here's the theta. So this is the time decay for some of these positions. What else? Here's the P&L by the day. Here's the P&L year to date on some of these positions. You see I was getting smacked on most of these most of these positions. But the thing about these particular ones, I'm not trading December anymore. December was Z2 at the end. So /MCL Z2 was December. Same for this /ZT8. Well, ZTZ2 was December. Same with this one. I'm not trading those anymore, so these numbers will look a little bit skewed. I'm pretty sure I'd made money on most of those others, but not these, as you can see. Let's see, and where's the unrealized and realized? Okay, so got a little bit of money still unrealized, not much. And then I only realized 193 on the day. So remember, I took that loss, cut those losses early. Could have lost a lot more, but decided to just cut them because I didn't really have much conviction behind the trades anyway. Excuse me. But these I'm going to leave on. They're pretty balanced, and yeah, I think they'll be okay. So yeah, I didn't really get into why I put any of these trades on, but I just got home and I got food, so we got to go eat. Sorry. Hope this helps somebody. I mean, it's just showing my positions. This doesn't mean you guys should put these exact positions on or anything like that, but I just wanted to show where I'm at right now. Okay, thanks. And some of the moves I made. That's the other thing I wanted to show. Okay, God bless. Hope this helps somebody.